As White Rock grows, the city's transportation system must evolve to help everyone move in a safe, efficient, and comfortable way, no matter how you choose to get around. Last year, the city began developing an integrated transportation and infrastructure master plan that will help address current transportation challenges and shape transportation and infrastructure decisions over the next 20 years. This plan will cover all modes of transportation, including walking, cycling, transit, driving, truck traffic, and neighborhood parking, with a special focus on traffic safety. The plan will align with other ongoing local and regional initiatives, including Surrey's Transportation Plan and TransLink's Transport 2050 Plan. Based on technical analysis and input from hundreds of White Rock residents, a draft long-term plan has been developed. We want to know what you think. The draft plan is made up of 4 key themes: safe streets, people-first streets, connected streets, and dynamic streets. Each theme contains a series of strategies, big moves, and actions that are designed to help achieve the vision, goals, and objectives of the transportation plan. Let's explore each of these themes and see how they shape the future of transportation in White Rock. The Safe Streets theme focuses on adopting and implementing a Vision Zero strategy. Vision Zero is a global traffic safety initiative that aims to eliminate traffic fatalities and serious injuries among all road users by considering road design, speed limits, and road user education. Vision Zero recognizes that people will sometimes make mistakes, so the transportation system and related policies should be designed to ensure that these mistakes do not lead to severe injuries or fatalities. Vision Zero has been implemented in communities of all sizes across the world, from Sweden and the United States to close to home in the city of Surrey. The People First Streets theme recognizes that the plan should take a human-centered approach and create streets that are convenient, attractive, safe, and inviting for people of all ages and abilities. The focus here is on making a walkable city by expanding the sidewalk network, providing accessibility improvements, and creating beautiful and interesting public spaces. The Connected Streets theme focuses on balancing the needs of all road users while making it easier to walk, bike, and take transit when making local trips and connecting to regional destinations. This includes developing a connected cycling network, making sure transit stops are accessible, and designing complete streets that facilitate safe, comfortable, and enjoyable connections between White Rock's neighborhoods and beyond. Finally, the Dynamic Streets theme considers new and emerging transportation technologies, such as car sharing, ride-hailing, bike sharing, and autonomous vehicles, which will have wide-ranging implications on the way we live and move both now and in the future. Now that you know a little bit more about what's included in the draft transportation plan, it's your turn to get involved. You can share your thoughts by filling out a survey or attending a virtual open house. Visit talkwhiterock.ca/transportation for more information on the draft transportation plan and engagement opportunities. Let's work together to create a connected transportation system that supports mobility options for all people.